Hey guys, TriggerMeister here. Today I'm actually reviewing a product from A-TAC Industries on the web. It's A-TAC Industries.com. And Mike, the owner, asked me to test out his new muzzle brake. So he designed this one for a police department, and the goal was to have most of the muzzle blasts forward, and so of course you don't want it blown to the side. They said they didn't care about the noise, they just wanted to make sure that the muzzle blast was directed forward. Of course, if you're behind your partner and you got your hand on his shoulder, you don't want that muzzle blast coming out on the side like you would have on a lot of other muzzle brakes. So we're gonna test this out today and see how it goes, see if it has more recoil than the other one that I've had on here previously. So here we go. Clear. Alright, so my first impressions are it definitely directs a lot of the blast forward. You can see some of the muzzle flash on this SBR in the sight, but it's not bad. And so I think it definitely achieves its intended purpose on directing the muzzle blast forward. Of course, that comes with a little bit more recoil than other muzzle brakes would have, but I think for tactical purposes, this is probably a ticket compared to the other competition comps that I'm generally running. So, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and see you at the range.